Welcome to my channel Little Sparkles Art. Today, I'm drawing geometric shapes. Let's draw and paint them together. First, I'm drawing a square. I'm drawing a circle. Next, I'm drawing a triangle. I'm drawing an ellipse. I'm drawing a rectangle. I'm drawing a pentagon. Next, I'm drawing a hexagon. I'm drawing a semicircle. Next, I'm drawing a cylinder. Now, I'm drawing a rhombus. I'm drawing a star. Finally, I'm drawing a cube. Red. It's time to paint. Let's paint the square with red color. Yellow. Let's paint the circle with yellow. Orange. Let's paint the triangle with orange.
Green. Green ellipse.
Purple. Let's paint the rectangle with purple. Pink. Let's paint the pentagon with pink. Blue. Let's paint the hexagon with blue. Gray. Let's paint the semicircle with gray.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my
Let's paint the cylinder with green and yellow. Green. Yellow. Brown. Let's paint the rhombus with brown. Blue. Let's paint the star with blue. Let's paint the cube with red, orange, and pink.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Red, orange, pink,
Let's give the shape some sparkles.